Here's I'll show you how to insert memory card in your Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile. So in your mobile box, you will get this kind of SIM ejector tool. So we have to use the SIM ejector tool to remove this SIM tray. So in your phone left hand side here, you'll find your SIM tray. Just insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole and gently push. And here we can see it's removed. Now let's remove this tray. And here you have to gently remove this SIM tray. And now we have to put our memory card here. So this is my memory card. Let's add this memory card here. This way. So this is the right way. You have to add the memory card just like so. And now just insert this memory card in your phone. So very slowly. And that's it. You have successfully inserted your memory card. Now let's open our file manager, my files app, and here we can see the SD card is showing. So that's how you can actually insert memory card in our Samsung Galaxy A16 mobile. Thanks for watching.